Hey there, welcome to my channel. Before you change your car's oil, you need to watch this. Today, I'm diving deep into the world of motor oil, a topic that might completely change the way you view your engine's lifeblood. In this video, I'll explore everything from the various types and grades to choosing the right oil for your car. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just curious about getting the most out of your engine, what I'm about to share might surprise you. Trust me, this is one episode you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the basics. Oil types. Generally, you'll encounter three main categories: conventional, semi-synthetic, and fully synthetic. Each type offers its own benefits, lifespan, and ideal use scenarios. Conventional oil. This is your basic everyday oil. It's suitable for many engines and is generally the most cost-effective option. However, it tends to break down faster, meaning you'll typically need oil changes every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers, depending on your driving conditions and the manufacturer's guidelines. Semi-synthetic oil. This option blends conventional and fully synthetic oils, offering enhanced performance and protection compared to conventional oil, while still being more affordable than full synthetic. It resists breakdown better, so oil changes are usually needed every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, 8,000 to 12,000 kilometers, depending on your driving conditions and the manufacturer's guidelines. It's a great middle ground choice for drivers seeking improved engine protection without the premium cost. Fully synthetic oil. Engineered for high performance, synthetic oil is designed to withstand extreme temperatures, reduce engine wear, and provide superior protection. It lasts the longest, with oil change intervals typically ranging from 7,500 to 15,000 miles, 12,000 to 24,000 kilometers, depending on your driving conditions and the manufacturer's guidelines. This type is ideal for modern, high-performance or turbocharged engines, as well as for drivers who want maximum engine longevity. Choosing the right oil not only influences your engine's health, but also determines how often you'll need to change it. In extreme driving conditions, such as heavy stop and go traffic, very hot or very cold weather, oil may degrade faster, necessitating more frequent changes. Understanding these oil types along with their recommended lifespans will help you select the best option for your driving habits and your vehicle's needs. Next, let's talk about SAE grades. SAE, or the Society of Automotive Engineers, has developed a grading system that indicates an oil's viscosity, essentially how thick or thin it is. For example, you might see oils labeled as 5W, 30, or 10W, 40. The number before the W, which stands for winter, shows how the oil performs in cold temperatures. A lower number means the oil flows more easily when it's cold, ensuring quick lubrication at startup, ideal for modern engines in colder climates. Conversely, a higher number before the W means the oil is slightly thicker in cold conditions, which can benefit older engines with looser tolerances or scenarios where a bit more viscosity is needed to help prevent leak during cold starts. The number after the W reflects how the oil behaves at high temperatures. A higher number indicates that the oil maintains its viscosity better when it's hot, offering more protection under high-stress conditions. This is particularly important for engines frequently operating under heavy loads or in extremely hot climates, as well as for some turbocharged engines that run at higher temperatures. However, it's also worth noting that many new OEM turbocharged engines are designed to operate optimally with thinner oils, so it's essential to follow your vehicle manufacturer's guidelines. When choosing between higher or lower numbers, consider your vehicle's specifications, its age, and your typical driving conditions. Older cars might benefit from a slightly thicker oil to help compensate for engine wear, while newer models often perform best with thinner oils that optimize efficiency. Turbocharged engines, depending on their design, may require either thicker or thinner oils. Always refer to the manufacturer's recommendations to ensure the best performance and protection. Understanding these numbers is key to choosing an oil that's best suited for your climate, your vehicle's design, and your driving conditions. Now, let's move on to API and ACEA ratings, two sets of standards that help you understand the quality and suitability of your engine oil. API ratings. The American Petroleum Institute, API, evaluates engine oils to ensure they meet specific performance and protection standards. API ratings come in various grades, such as API SN or API SM for gasoline engines, and API CJ4 for diesel engines, with each successive rating representing improvements in engine protection, fuel efficiency, and emission control. When choosing an oil, consider at least the minimum API rating recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer, as a higher rating typically means better performance under modern operating conditions. ACEA ratings. The Association des Constructeurs Européens d'Automobiles, ACEA, set standards primarily for European vehicles, addressing the unique requirements of modern engines, including advanced emissions control systems and fuel economy. ACEA ratings are categorized into different groups, such as ACEA A 3/B4 for high-performance gasoline and light-duty diesel engines, or ACEA C3 for oils with extended service intervals and stricter emission standards. Just like with API, it's important to choose an oil that meets the ACEA specifications recommended in your vehicle's manual. Both API and ACEA ratings are key indicators of oil quality and compatibility with your engine. By understanding these ratings, you can select an oil that not only meets industry standards but also aligns with your vehicle's specific requirements, ensuring optimal performance, protection, and a longer life for your engine components. So, how do you decide which oil is best for your car? It all comes down to your vehicle's requirements and your driving style. Here are a few key factors to consider. 1. Check your owner's manual. Your owner's manual is the best source of information. It details the recommended oil type, SAE grade, and any specific API or ACEA ratings your engine requires. 2. Consider your driving habits. If you frequently drive at high speeds, carry heavy loads, off-road, or navigate through extreme temperatures and heavy stop-and-go traffic, a synthetic oil might be the best choice. Synthetic oils offer enhanced performance and durability under demanding conditions. 3. Climate considerations. The temperature extremes in your area can significantly affect your oil's performance. Ensure that both the viscosity rating and oil type are well suited to your local climate, providing proper flow during cold starts and maintaining adequate protection in high temperatures. Taking these factors into account will help you pick an oil that ensures optimal engine performance and longevity. With countless brands on the market, how do you decide which one to trust? Here are a few tips. Look for brands with a strong track record and positive reviews from both experts and everyday users. Ensure the oil meets the API and ACEA standards we discussed. This certification is a quick way to verify its quality. Some car manufacturers have partnerships with oil brands. Consider that's brands recommended in your owner's manual. Remember, sometimes paying a little extra for a reputable brand can pay off in better engine performance and longer oil change intervals. Let's address the big question: is expensive oil always better? Not necessarily. While synthetic oils are generally more expensive, they often offer superior engine protection, especially under extreme conditions. However, for everyday driving under normal conditions, a high-quality, conventional, or semi-synthetic oil might suffice. Investing in synthetic oil can allow for longer intervals between oil changes, potentially reducing overall maintenance costs. Additionally, synthetic oils typically include advanced detergents and dispersants that help keep your engine cleaner by preventing the buildup of sludge and deposits. A cleaner engine can improve fuel efficiency and overall performance, potentially saving you money at the pump. Moreover, investing in higher quality oil can lead to fewer engine problems down the line, which may save you money on repairs. It's important to weigh the upfront cost against the long-term benefits. Ultimately, your choice between cheaper and more expensive oil should be based on your driving needs, the specific requirements of your engine, and a careful consideration of both short-term costs and long-term benefits. Before we wrap up, here are some common mistakes to steer clear of when choosing engine oil. 1. Always refer to your owner's manual. Using the wrong oil type or grade can reduce engine efficiency. 2. Skipping on checking API and ACEA ratings can lead you to choose a product that doesn't offer the protection your engine needs. 3. Don't just pick an oil based on price, make sure the SAE grade fits your climate and driving conditions. 4. Stick with the same type and brand when topping off or changing oil. Mixing oils can result in reduced performance. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can ensure your engine gets the care it deserves. That's a wrap on our deep dive into engine oil. I hope you found this guide informative and that you now feel more confident in choosing the right oil for your car. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, feel free to leave your questions or share your experiences in the comments section below. I love hearing from you and engaging in discussions that help everyone learn more about car care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe driving!